everyone! You're back with Miss Eve again, and today you just saw what Miss Eve was doing. I was playing with my new toy. Ta-da! It's a spinner. So today we're going to make a spinner together, so you can wind it up, spin it, spin it, spin it. Right, okay. So, well, it's actually simple, but you, again, need help from your parents with cutting. Okay, so I know that you're excited to play with your new toy. So, shall we begin? Let's get started. You have to prepare cardboard, white paper, circle shape, string, color pencils, scissors, glue, pencil, cutter, pipe cleaners, and sellotape. Okay, so first up you need a cardboard, and then use a circle shape, could be from the bottle or the pot cap, and then use a pencil to draw around it. Okay, and then another side. So we've got one circle, and then you need paper. I chose white paper because I want to be able to draw or to paint it later. And then now I'm going to draw two circles. Done. Then use the scissors to cut out the circles. Done! I've got two circles, and next I'm going to decorate my circles. So you can use the color pencils, crayons, or felt tips to decorate your spinner, but I'm gonna use the color pencil. Alright, to draw and color my spinner. You all can guess what superheroes Miss Eve is drawing, and then you can see it when I finished. Done! Next, Miss Eve is going to use the cardboard that I cut down into a circle shape, and then I'm going to use the picture that I created to put on the top. You can draw any superheroes that you like. Miss Eve is going to use the glue, okay, to put it on the top of the circle. I choose the green superhero in the PJ Masks story, and the blue one. Do you remember the names? Okay, next I'm going to use the pencil to make holes through this circle. I need two holes. This part, your parents, mommy and daddy, might have to help because it's quite tricky. And it's very important that your holes shouldn't be too far away from each other. Try to make it close because it's gonna be easier for spinning. Okay, so now I have two holes from both sides. As you can see, they're not that far away from each other. Next, I'm going to use a string. Okay, so next I have to measure how long I want my string to be. I wouldn't want this long because it's gonna take so long time to spin it. So I think I will go with this long. Okay, and then next you need to put the string through the holes, but I fold the string so that I can have it right. And I'm gonna cut the string, and then I'm going to put the string through the hole using pencil to help pushing the string through it. And to put the string into the other hole, again, using the pencil to help you because it's quite tricky. It's small holes, right? Around the circle, this spinner, I don't like it this way. I want this to make it softer. I'm going to use a pipe cleaner to put around my spinner using a sellotape because when it spins, it's gonna look nicer and it's softer and maybe safer because it's very soft. You can use something else. You can use something else that you have at home if you have the other ideas. Done! I have a green border you can see here. And yes, it's great. Let's try out. I'm so excited. So you're going to wind it up. Spin, spin. And then you're going to pull. 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 Oh, see? It's spinning. Exciting. It's so fun. Love it. You can see it. You can see the color. It's green. This is so enjoyable. I hope you will enjoy it too. And don't forget to share a picture when you've done it with me. Okay, and I will see you next time. This is so great. Alright, bye.